Do you know why I pulled you over?
No, officer.
You were speeding.
Oh, I didn't realize.
Do you know the speed limit here?
I think it's 50 miles per hour.
You were going 65 miles per hour.
I'm really sorry.
Where are you headed in such a hurry?
I was going to work.
Is there an emergency?
No, I was just running late.
Can I see your license and registration?
Sure. Here you go.
Have you had any previous speeding tickets?
No. Never.
How long have you been driving?
About 5 years.
Do you always drive this fast?
No, just today.
Were you aware of your speed?
Not really, I was distracted.
Were you using your phone while driving?
No, I wasn't.
Have you been drinking?
No, absolutely not.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm just nervous.
Do you know speeding is dangerous?
Yes, I do.
What if a child ran into the road?
I'd feel terrible.
Would you like a warning instead of a ticket?
Yes. Please.
Will you slow down from now on?
Yes, I promise.
Do you know how much a speeding ticket costs?
No, but I bet it's expensive.
It could be over $100.
That's a lot.
Have you taken a defensive driving course?
Not yet.
Do you think you need one?
Maybe, if it helps.
How far is your workplace?
About 10 minutes away.
Can you leave earlier next time?
Yes, I will.
Do you understand why I stopped you?
Yes, for speeding.
Do you think this was fair?
Yes, I understand.
Will you pay more attention to your speed?
Yes, I will be more careful.
Do you need any assistance?
No, I'm okay.
You're free to go.
Thank you, officer.
Drive safely.
I will. Have a nice day. Let me know in the comments which sentence was your favorite, or share your practice sentences with me. Where can I park my car?
In the parking lot.
Is parking free here?
No, you have to pay.
Can I park on this street?
No, it's a no parking zone.
How much is the parking fee?
It's $5 per hour.
Is there a parking garage nearby?
Yes, around the corner.
Do I need a parking permit?
Yes, for this area.
How long can I park here?
Only 2 hours.
Can I park in a handicap spot?
Only with a permit.
Is this a safe place to park?
Yes, there are security cameras.
Should I use my parking brake?
Yes, especially on a hill.
How do I parallel park?
Reverse slowly and turn your wheel.
Did I park straight?
No, you need to adjust.
Is this spot big enough for my car?
Yes, just barely.
Where should I park at the mall?
Near the entrance.
Can I park in front of a fire hydrant?
No, it's illegal.
Do I have to pay for overnight parking?
Yes, there's a fee.
Can I back into a parking space?
Yes, it's allowed.
How do I remember where I parked?
Take a picture of the spot.
Is it okay to park on the grass?
No, that's not allowed.
What should I do if someone parks too close to me?
Be careful when opening your door.
Can I park in front of someone's driveway?
No, that's illegal.
Should I park under a tree?
No, birds might make a mess.
Can I park in this loading zone?
No, it's for deliveries only.
What do I do if I lose my parking ticket?
Go to the payment booth for help.
Can I leave my car here overnight?
No, it's not allowed.
How close should I park to the curb?
About 6 inches away.
Should I turn my wheels when parking on a hill?
Yes, to prevent rolling.
Where can I find a free parking spot?
Try the side streets.
Can I park here during rush hour?
No, it's not allowed.
What happens if I park in the wrong spot?
You might get a ticket or towed.
Can I park in front of a school?
Only outside school hours.
What should I do if my car is towed?
Call the towing company.
Is there valet parking here?
Yes, at the main entrance.
Can I park near a stop sign?
No, you must park at least 30 feet away.
Do I need to turn on my hazard lights while parking?
Only if you're stopping temporarily.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos.